Hello learners, you are welcome to yet another class of practical physics. My name is Biekwa Sosemakula Samuel. I am a teacher of physics. The fact that light travels in a straight line, which we call rectilinear motion of light or rectilinear propagation of light, has evidence in the fact that when an opaque object is placed in the path of light, a shadow is formed. In this experiment, we are going to look at the types of shadows formed when we have a tiny source of light and when we have an extended source of light. We are going to demonstrate the types of shadows formed. We are going to use this pendulum bulb as our opaque object, which is going to be placed in the path of light. We are going to have the shadow formed on the screen over here. So light from an extended source is incident on our opaque object, which is the pendulum bulb. What you realize on the screen is we have a shadow, but that shadow is not uniformly illuminated. You realize that at the center there is an area or a region of total darkness, which is called the umbra. Now, around the umbra, we have the area of partial darkness, which is called the penumbra. Next, we put a disk around our extended source, leaving just a small opening. When we put that small opening so that we have a tiny source of light, this is what we have. We have a shadow which is uniformly dark. What we have is only the umbra. We can use ray diagrams to explain what we have just seen right now. This is the extended source of light. That is our opaque object, and this is the screen. So we have rays which move in that direction, forming the umbra at the center, and then the rays moving in that direction, forming the penumbra. So this diagram shows the formation of a shadow by an extended source of light. Below here, we put a disk around the extended source so that we have a tiny source of light. So the rays from the source will form an image, which is the umbra, with only one region, which will be uniformly dark. Here we are going to have two regions, a region of total darkness, the umbra, and then the region of partial darkness called the penumbra.